Are you excited?
Yeah.
Eh? What do you mean, eh?
About time, dude.
Yeah. We've been waiting how long?
2 years?
Nah, it's not been 2 years.
Maybe like this. Looking at it back. Must be good to go then. Oh, it does have to be straight through.
Looking good.
Thanks. What about the lip?
Yeah.
How's the lip looking?
Got humor too. I love that.
Yeah.
So what's the hardest part about installing these?
This right here.
Which is just lining it up.
Getting this because we have to plumb one column up, and then we got to put the overhead on and then plumb down. So anchoring one column down and getting it level, not hard at all. Getting the base of this one to come level down off the overhead.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. What up, y'all? It's like 3 a.m. 3:21 in the morning to be exact, but I just wanted to show you guys something cool. If the lights will turn on. So, everything's crammed in here for now. Lift's all done. Just gotta get wired up. And yeah, it's looking good. I'm excited. Everything fits in here. Hopefully we'll be able to slide the 944 under the E30 M3, which we now have a dash for it, crack-free dash. So the resto has officially started. I gotta start sourcing hardware again because I think I might have lost it somewhere in the parts car. Hopefully I can find it. Trying to get every bolt and everything pretty much original on this one. And then game plan is put, I think what, the S18 in here and then the S54 into the other E30 M3 when it gets here. Oh my god, that's a roach. What the? Oh, damn it, I gotta go to Home Depot and get some roach traps now. Anyways, that was kind of gross. Lift's done. We live near water. I wouldn't really worry about the roach. Now I just sound like I'm in damage control. But anyways, yeah, 10,000 pound lift, E30 M3, blah, blah, blah. Shit's in here. Let's get it wired up. And let's finish this freaking E30, please.